In the past few years, countries tried to input tax onto social media, and they included what we call OTT tax, that is on-the-go tax. This means that whoever is going to access any social media platform, that is Facebook and many other platforms, should be paying some stuff so that they can access those sites. As a result, many people redirected to use VPNs for their access to access data. Purpose of that, but many people don't know how a VPN works and why they choose to use a VPN. In this video, I'm going to break down why you're using a VPN and how it works. If I told you go to Play Store like this and you type in VPN, they will send you a lot of VPNs which are over in the market. All these they have servers which are external and they are based in other countries. Now what happens is that when you click connect to that server, your data to that server, it means that this application first is going to get your IP address and then redirects the data from that IP to another server so that you bypass or it encrypts packets or your data from your real IP address. Now this resulted into a lot of things. It's going to result a lot of things. Now the first question we need to ask that how do these free VPNs which we use on the market, which are on the market, like there are many others, survive? Well, we could be encrypting our data. For instance, you could be bypassing the OTT tax, but you don't know what is the end use of this content which you use. Remember, this data is passing through this VPN, these guys' servers, and they are logging your stuff. These VPN providers survive. One, they will put adverts onto your front end of the APK. This means whenever you connect to their server, it will prompt an advert so that you either watch it or if you tap it, they make a payment. But still, the money generated through that advert could be not enough for them to survive to use the servers which they give you. This means they will opt for other methods of earning, which means they will sell your data. Remember, just like I told you in the beginning, that these guys, as you're getting your VPN, you connect to them, and at the end of the day, they will be redirecting your content, and they are logging that stuff. They are logging your stuff, your usage, each and everything you're doing. This means these guys, they will sell out your data to many data thirsty companies out there and many advertising companies, because they would like to know which advert, what do you do commonly on the internet, what you serve, and each and everything. This explains as to why you go to Facebook, you always find what you really, the thing you need to interact with. This is as a result of companies getting your data and selling it out. I'm not saying that all these companies get that data directly through that method, but this is the main way. And are you completely safe when using a VPS? The answer could be no. Reason being, these providers over here, you don't know what they are doing with your data if I told you accessing them. On the other way around, these companies face a lot of challenges, like their servers can easily be hacked and all your data will be seen by some people. Some people have a thinking that once I use a VPN, I'm totally offline. This means even if I do something online, I won't be captured. $3 you're paying them, or the $3 and the $10 you're paying them for the premium service, will be enough for them to shut down or to be sued, to pay a fine of over $10,000 or whatever case it will be, just for something who gave $10. Honestly speaking, they won't. They will give out your logs and the government will start chasing after you. This means that even if you're using a VPN or whatever you're using, you're not completely safe or you're not completely secure. This means even if you're using a VPN or whatever you're using, you still have to maintain the rules and the cyber rules which are provided by your country or by the international bodies. With that, if I've left out something, don't forget to click the subscription button and the comment. You leave it in the comment box. I'll be able to answer to you. With that, remain Scott UG. We meet in another video. God bless you.